MBBS admission 2025 process almost completed for different states and All India Counselling. The student who has not got the seat till now, who didn't get the allotment due to the budget, due to different reasons of counseling, there will be a last chance for all of you, because different states and certainly All India Counselling will conduct a special stay round because some seats are still vacant. In today's video, I will tell you how many seats are vacant in different private colleges in Uttar Pradesh. Definitely you cannot expect a huge number of seats, but still some seats are vacant in different private colleges. So once the special stay round will happen, that time you may participate. In this video I am telling only for private colleges. So the student who has not yet got the seat, if in the special stay round UP state will give chance for new registration, you can do it. Or if they don't allow new registration, the student who has already participated, they still can participate for the allotment. Here I want to mention, it is not upgradations. The student who has taken admission, their opportunity has already completed. This is only for those students who has not got the allotment till now. So let's go through the number of seats vacant in different private colleges. Starting from KMC Maharajganj, only one seat is vacant. Siddhivinayaka, 4 seats are vacant. GS, 1 seat is vacant. Muzaffarnagar Medical College, 1 seat is vacant. Rajarsi Medical College, 7 seats are vacant. Rohilkhand Medical College, 1 seat is vacant. TS Mishra, 4 seats are vacant. Barun Arjun Medical College, 2 seats are vacant. Venkateshwara Medical College, 1 seat is vacant. Krishna Mohan Medical College, 1 seat is vacant. Tirthankar Medical College, Jain minority quota, 2 seats are vacant. Tirthankar Medical College, normal private quota, 1 seat is vacant. FH Medical College, Muslim minority quota, 1 seat is vacant. FH Medical College, normal private quota, here 2 seats is vacant. Career in normal quota, no seats are vacant. Muslim minority, no seats are vacant, but career normal quota, 1 seat is vacant. This is the tentative seat matrix, what information we have received from the UPDGME and the colleges, that only we have shared with you. But definitely you have to wait for the official seat matrix. But you can consider this seat matrix, approximately you will get an idea that how many seats are vacant. You have to be alert once the special stay round will start. Still, if you have any interest for participating in this counseling in this year, you can contact in this number. So whatever possibility is still left, we will guide you. If you have not yet subscribed on this channel, you can subscribe this channel. And if you have not got seat, you are looking for next year, you can still subscribe. So whatever video will be given, you will be getting all the notifications. Thank you so much.